Maptek is committed to providing the best user experience in mind scheduling. With Evolution 6.2, support has been added for reserving functionality directly inside Evolution. This minimizes turnaround time when updating your reserves and viewing the projected impact on your schedules with Origin Solids and Epoch. Automated engine testing has been added, ensuring a higher than ever reliability with the Origin engines. Complex scenarios are periodically run to ensure that you can have confidence and know that you will consistently get results that you can depend on. Our short-term scheduler Epoch provides you a visual understanding of the state of your mine site at any given time. You can track equipment as they move around the mine site and are immediately given visual feedback if for any reason a piece of equipment is unavailable to work. Real-time resource assignment allows you to interact with your equipment in a natural, visual way. While scheduling, if you need to move a piece of equipment, you can simply click the location you want to move it to and assign it to work there. The condensed resource Gantt view fits seamlessly into the short-term scheduling workflow. It provides an overview of where each piece of equipment is and what they're working on at any point in time. The new advanced equipment downrating feature can automatically account for any haulage or mill productivity constraints. Using these constraints, Epoch intelligently downrates your primary equipment, ensuring that equipment utilization is maximized while ensuring mill targets are met. Download the latest version of Evolution from the Workbench via the Download Manager or from the Users area today.